I started drinking bay leaf tea because it's a real boost for our health. I will tell you all about it in this video, just stay with me. First, it improves digestion. It helps release toxins in the body and aids in the health of the kidneys. The organic compounds present in bay leaves are very efficient in helping with an upset stomach, and they also make it easy to digest food. It treats respiratory conditions because it has a very strong essential oil in it. So we take 5 bay leaves and pour a cup of water around 200 milliliters. Then we just boil all this stuff for 10 minutes. Throughout the video I will show you how I do it, and meanwhile I'll keep on telling you about the benefits. Such tea is also good for our hair because it removes dandruff and reduces hair fall. One of the most important benefits of bay leaf is its ability to reduce inflammation in our body. So it can quickly reduce inflammation and irritation when topically applied to the affected areas, such as sore joints or areas affected by arthritis. Bay leaves contain caffeic acid and rutin, which may help enhance our heart health. It strengthens capillary walls in our heart and eliminates bad cholesterol from the cardiovascular system. It also helps lower the level of stress hormones in our body. So it's good to take it when you need to calm down and remain relaxed in your high anxiety moments, which we have quite often right now. Regular consumption of bay leaves significantly lowers the chances of diabetic episodes, so it's also good for people suffering from diabetes. It also lowers blood pressure. It is also good for our immune system in general as it contains big amounts of vitamin C and A. Take it every morning for at least 7 days and you will see a significant result. Concerning side effects, it is likely safe for most people, but avoid using it if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Also, stop using bay leaf as a medicine at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery because it may slow down the central nervous system, and there is a concern that it might slow down it too much when combined with anesthesia.